dalawang 36 watts na T5 lead tube in reflectorized louver. Kapag nakita niyo yung symbol na yan, kapag ganito naman, isang 50 watts pendant lead high B lamp. Ceiling mounted exit signage with 2 watts lead luminaire. Battery pack emergency light with 2 8 watts lead lamp. Emergency exit signage. Isang 12 watts lead bulb in 6 inches diameter na pin light housing. Yan mga symbol yan. Ganyan naman isang 7 watts lead bulb in 6 inches down light housing. Mga symbol. Kapag ganyan naman ay single gang switch. Kapag ganyan naman ay 2 gang switch. Kapag ganyan ay 3 gang switch. Kapag ganyan naman ay 3 or 2 gang switch. 3 with 2 gang switch. Simply flash mounted universal convenience outlet with ground provision. Kapag ganyan ay mga single lang na outlet. Kapag ganyan naman ay duplex flash mounted universal convenience outlet with ground provision. Duplex floor mounted universal convenience outlet with ground provision. Motor load junction box. Wall mounted display type inverter. Sa mga aircon po yan. Tapos yung isa ay distribution box, circuit home run kung sa mga ilaw po yan o mga outlet. Yan, simple po yan ang ating service entrance, kilowatt hour meter, circuit breaker, motor load, disconnecting means enclosed circuit breaker. Kapag ganyan naman, transformer, distribution box, grounding bar as para sa ating mga ground. Ceiling mounted CM, exhaust fan, junction box, automation transfer switch, MDP, main distribution panel, GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, FM, floor mounted. Tapos ang CF naman ay ceiling fan, MCB, miniature circuit breaker, MCCB, molded case circuit breaker, lead light emitting diode, power panel, lighting panel, polyvinyl chloride conduit, weatherproof, ampere frame, ampere trip, manual transfer switch at